Hi, I am Gunjan. Welcome to Code with Gunjan. In this video, we'll write our very first Python program. It's super easy and perfect for beginners. Let's write first code. This line tells Python to show this message on the screen. It's called a print statement and it's the starting point of our Python journey. I code print hello world to display the output as hello world, and here's our output. This statement will print welcome to Python. Output of all the print statement will be shown in the terminal window. That's it for today. If you want to learn Python from scratch with me, subscribe and follow my journey. See you in the next video.